Hello everyone, welcome to Mariner's Point. Electrical question we have a half wave rectifier which is used for supplying 50 volt DC to a resistive load of 800 ohm. The diode has a resistance of 25 ohm. We have to calculate AC voltage required. So what we have given data, we can see first we will see figure. We When we will draw the figure, this will be the figure. Then what we have given data we will check. We have DC output voltage which is given 50 volt, load resistance given and diode resistance is given. To find AC voltage, that we have to find AC voltage. So first, formula for DC output voltage of half wave rectifier. All formula is written and you have to remember. So first, in half wave rectifier, what is the formula of DC output? So this is the formula Im divided by 5 into RL plus RD. And already then when we calculate, then this become formula, and maximum current if given, then we can found we can find DC output voltage. So first, this is the DC output voltage. You can see here, because I am maximum current here already put. Then this become formula. Then what is the formula become? I equal to V by R. So here I am Bm divided by R. Then this formula becomes. Now we have to rearrange maximum voltage. Then formula become this one. Now we will substitute maximum, all the value we will put, then we will get Bm. Okay. Now final we have to find RMS value of AC voltage. So that is RMS voltage value is equal to the maximum voltage divided by root 2. So to finding RMS value, we have to calculate maximum voltage. So above all I have done to find maximum voltage. So first we have to find maximum voltage, then we are able to calculate RMS value of AC voltage. Formula of RMS is very simple. Maximum voltage divided by root 2. Then first we have to calculate maximum voltage. So for calculating maximum value, first we calculate DC output voltage. In that uh, DC output voltage, we have used two formula here: DC output voltage for half wave rectifier and maximum current. And we use this formula to we have substituted maximum current in above formula. Then we found DC output voltage. Then we rearrange it to make it formula of maximum voltage, and then all we substitute the value, then we will calculate maximum value, and then after that we will find RMS voltage value. So first we have to calculate maximum value, and for calculating maximum value, what we did, we use this formula, DC output voltage and maximum current. Thank you.